Adobe Lightroom Classic is an incredibly powerful photo editing program, but over time, many users experience slow performance, lagging previews, delayed exports, or sluggish editing workflows. These problems usually happen because of catalog size, hardware limitations, cache settings, or unoptimized Lightroom configurations. The good news is that there are several ways to dramatically improve Lightroom Classic performance in 2026. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to speed up Adobe Lightroom Classic step by step. First, make sure Adobe Lightroom Classic is updated to the latest version because Adobe regularly improves performance and bug fixes. Large catalogs can slow down Lightroom significantly, so use the Optimize Catalog option regularly. Using an SSD instead of a traditional hard drive can dramatically improve Lightroom loading and editing speed. Lightroom uses the camera raw cache to speed up preview rendering and editing performance. And honestly, Lightroom performance depends heavily on workflow organization and computer hardware. Even small optimizations can make editing feel dramatically faster over time. And that's your full guide on how to speed up Adobe Lightroom Classic in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how to improve performance and create a faster, smoother editing workflow using Adobe Lightroom Classic.